Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is just Simples, where I make simple things with simple ingredients. Today we are going to make turmeric oil. So the good thing with this oil is very simple to make, and one of its benefits, it's like it brings out your natural glow, and also it brightens up your skin. So it's a very good oil to add into your skincare routine. So I'm making this turmeric oil for my DIY. So you can use this turmeric oil to make your DIYs like creams and lotions. Yeah, so let's go into it. So just need just simple ingredients. These ingredients, you can find them into your kitchen. So we need turmeric, and then I'm using fractionated coconut oil, and you need a container, a bottle where to keep your oil, and yeah, and other two containers to mix your turmeric and oil. Yeah, so we're just going to need just a little bit of turmeric, because when you use too much it's going to stain. So you just need like a half tablespoon of turmeric, and then add coconut oil, and you can use any other carrier oil. Yeah, so you can use like olive oil, you can use jojoba oil. Yeah, you can use any oil of your choice. So for me, I'm using the coconut oil because I'm going to use this one for my DIYs, for my butters and cream. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to add my coconut oil. Yeah, just I'm adding like half cup of coconut oil. Yes, and then mix it together until it is well incorporated. Yes, mix. Yeah, so I'm using a plastic container, but I know it's going to stain my container. So if you have the glass jar, it's very good for this kind of oil because it's going to stain the plastic one. But I didn't have that one, so that's why I'm using this one. But I recommend you use the glass jar. So after I mix it, I'm going to put it on a double boiler. Yeah, so I'm going to mix it a little bit. Yeah, and then I'm going to cover it and leave it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour for it to extract the oil. Yeah, to extract the benefit of the turmeric. So I'm going to leave it there for like 1 hour. Yeah, so this is after 1 hour. I came back and I removed it and waited for it to cool down a little bit. Yeah, so this is after 1 hour. So as you can see, it looks so beautiful. The color is so nice. Yeah, so yeah, it's very simple to make. It's very simple. It's not complicated at all. You don't need any formula. So yeah, so now I'm going to sieve it. You can use a cheesecloth or anything that can hold those small particles. Yeah, so I didn't have a cheesecloth. I'm using this one and it worked out very well. So yeah, I'm using this one. I'm going to sieve it to remove the turmeric powder. So because I don't want turmeric powder on my product. Yeah. So once you sieve it, you will notice that at the bottom of your jar, the turmeric powder is stuck in it. So you don't want all that powder in your oil. So that's why we are sieving it. Yeah, so after we finish, it's packaging now. Packaging the oil. Yeah, so as you can see, this is my final product. It looks so nice. The color is so beautiful. You can use this one on your butters, on your cream, and on your face wash. Yeah, this oils is very nice. It's very beneficial to your skin. This is a brightening oil. Yeah, it will brighten your skin. Yeah, so now I'm going to package my oil. Yeah, so I'm using this 120 ml bottle. I'm going to package it here. So yeah, and this one is enough for my DIYs because you don't need too much. Just need a few drops of it, because when you use too much it's going to stain. So just need a few drops to add it into your butters. Yeah, and you're done. Yeah, so yeah, my oil is ready to use. And as you can see, it's very simple and it's turned out very beautiful. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you can make these oils for yourself. Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.